So my wife's playing Genshin Impact right now. I'm going to be building the Monkey Kid City of Lanterns. Set number 836, 2,187 pieces. This is the front of the box. One side of the box. The back of the box. The other side of the box. And the top of the box. It comes with 3 sticker sheets. Right? 2 books. 1 for 1, 2 for 2. And it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and accessory bag. I get the building. This is after bag 1. This is after bag 2. This is after bag 3. This is after bag 5. Oh, 4, I mean. Going to bag 5. This is after bag 5. The sticker has a small bubble, you can't see it though. Had to do a little off center, but luckily they could turn a little bit. All right, next bag 6. This is after bag 6. This is after bag 7. Sticker's a little off, but it's fine. It's not noticeable unless you stare at it. This is after bag 8. Going to bag 9. This is after bag 9. And this is how it looks like in the Lantern City. City of Lanterns, I mean. This is after bag 10. This is after bag 11. This is after bag 12. Got the back, got the inside. And this is what it looks like inside the city. Been a couple days, gonna finish the Lego City of Lanterns from Monkey King. We're gonna on bag 13. Yeah. This is after bag 13. Got a little inside of the little Lego store. All right, going to bag 14. This is after bag 14. Got a little Lego store. Got some stickers, little Legos. Got the Lego dragon. Got inside. And put it on top of the little Lantern City. And that's how it goes. This is after bag 15. So the little panda store that's open. It has a little panda face. On the side, on the back, you got the little inside, you got a little bit of stuff on the side. And it goes on the city like this. There you go. All right. This is after bag 16, the little Lotus Hotel, the bottom of it. And then you got the inside, it's a little painting thing in there, scroll thing. 2 little suitcases, and that's basically it for the bottom. This is after bag 17, the Lotus Hotel complete, the little lantern, the little ring thing I guess they do in the show I don't watch. I watch some of the videos and stuff, but it's kind of decent. You got the upstairs, who has a little bed, and then we're gonna put it on the in the city thing. how it looks like in the city. And I'm gonna show you the alternate build in a second. And this is how it would look as a city or a row if it wasn't in the little bracket thing. I'm gonna place it in the city. And this is all the minifigures that come with it. I don't really consider them minifigures, but little robots. You got the little pig chef guy. I can't think of names. If I get them wrong, I apologize. Got the girl handing the lantern and the one holding the Lego bag. And the guy eating the little food. The little things with little chopsticks. She's holding a cell phone. The train conductor guy and the monkey kid. All right, here's in the city. I'm not sure if this is how it's gonna go exactly. I'm not sure if I wanna cut this base plate in half or not. But as of now, this is where it's gonna stay for right now. I do have bricks coming in to fill out the, you know how the siding goes over here? Not siding, but the, you know what I'm talking about. The walkway and stuff. It's gonna be the exact same way here. I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna do it and the best way to do this. But yeah, that's how it looks in the city as of right now.